shaking. He's so scared. Why is he moving so much?
He's falling away from the giant lizard looking at him. That was easy.
He moved a bit. Are you retarded? No! Cheeto's waiting! I'll pick him up and out. If you don't eat him right now. You know what makes me feel better? The mouse mom probably would have eaten him.
No.
Yeah, mouse mom would have definitely probably eaten him.
That's hamster.
Yeah, mice and rats too. Same thing.
No, just hamster. I don't know.
Oh, no.
Oh, Cheeto. Oh. That was the skull?
It's still alive.
It's in so much pain.
Oh, just kill him, you fucking bastard.
I don't think it's dead now.
Oh! Oh! What is... It's still squirming! You're gonna kill him! I think I just pooped my pants.
Okay.
You sick son of a bitch. That's just disrespectful right there. Come on. That's a baby boy.
Finish it off.
Fucking eat your dinner. Fucking blowjob. That's a fucking killer right there.
He's scared, guys.
Fucking killer. If you don't eat it, I will grab your head and chomp the jaws. Oh god, what part of the thing is, what part of the mouth is that?
That's the head.
Oh, that's his tongue.
You can't chew through it. He doesn't want to swallow it whole.
You fucking pussy. You buy your dinner and you don't even eat it. I'm gonna smash your head against the end of this wall. I'm gonna break your back leg. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna break your, I'm gonna chop your tail off and piss you off. Cause it'll grow back. I know it'll grow back. It'll hurt like hell. It'll fucking hurt like hell. I'm gonna chop your tail off. And I'm not gonna feel bad about it. I'll fucking chip, like scissors. Arts and crafts. That's what I'll do to your tail. Arts and crafts.
Piece by piece.
Yeah, piece by piece. Chip. Arts and crafts. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna feed it to you. I'm gonna make a really fat mouse. I'm gonna feed him lizard tail so you'll eat yourself. What? What?
Oh!
Just fucking eat the goddamn mouse. Are you pooped? Are you tired of eating? It's not hard. Chew.
So you gotta chew through the bones, Marcus. This isn't like hard food where it's like...
Oh. Mr. Nasser. Mr.